Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ki artli ki Kynhun Ïalehkai football kata ka Nepal bat ka IR Iran. Kilalong ki Pynkhreh bana khun persha ala shai kasngi ha ka Women's Tri Nation International Tournament ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Pulu. Ha bakran bat kinong thok khobor u coach ka Nepal u Nabin New Pane u laong bagani kamde ka sien ka bani kong jong u banwan yu kajat hanong ba Shillong u lawan teng ha ki por baladap ha be de bat kani ka tournament u New Pane u laong baki artli ki Kynhun kiba ka Kynhun jong u kan hap ban Ïakhun kilong kiba khlan ka Ïakhun kan long ka baitanat namal ka Kynhun jong u ru ka long ka Pynkhreh ban mi madan bat ka thong ka baki don ka long ban yo bet ya ka lai point u Nabin yu pane u labin rap da ka baong bangila dap Ïakhun teng bat ka India bat ru ya ka Iran baro artri ki Kynhun kilong kiba khlan handai kin Ïakhun ting e hakin ki khandai 4 minute hamadan na ka liang ka coach jong ka IR Iran ka Marziye Jafari Baravati kalong ba ka Kynhun Ïalehkai jong ka Nepal kalong ka baklan ba ka Ïalehkai la shai ka sngi kalong ka ba itana shu kala benrap da ka baong ba ka Kynhun jong ka persang ban Ïakhun ting e ban penbet yi ka jingduna ki ba kum ka Kynhun ka don ka Kynhun Ïalehkai na Nepal ka khlan ba ka Kynhun kam shim sting yi ka ni handai ka hap ban Pynkhreh ba.
Thank you very much. It's a beautiful city, Shillong also. I came here last because this is my second time. Shillong also, the football environment is very good over here. And another thing is we're playing tomorrow. Both team, India and Iran, is a tough team. So we saw the match against India and Iran also. They're very good. We're a strong team. Obviously, we are ready for the match. I hope we give our best. Every second is important in the match. So we are really excited to play the match tomorrow.
First of all, this is the second time for me in Shillong, and we know India and Iran, they are really good, and already Iran they won one match. They are now comfort zone, so it's like we have a little bit pressure for this tournament. And also these two teams are already qualified for the Asian Cup, so they have little bit confidence more than us. So for the result, we are ready to fight.
And now really, we have a young player to the squad, but tomorrow we'll play for the 3 points. All the football fans of Nepal also is excited for the match. We're playing attacking game. Obviously, we give the good pressure and good game tomorrow.
You have played with India, a lot of upsets were there in the past, and now Iran defeated India. So how do you see the team now? How well mentally prepared?
Yeah, obviously we played with Iran one time against India, I think 8th time. So both teams are very strong. So because of Iran and India match, Iran is a little bit comforted too. So we are ready. We research that game. Moreover, the game was very tough, but we give our best till 90 minutes.
The country, the team had ups and downs.
Yeah, it's very good for us because we are playing two strong sides. Both teams are the ranking of both teams are up. So definitely these two games give us more, more strength for the team, for the upcoming players too. Ups and downs is another part, but in the field we have to give our best and we go for the 3 points.
And the country was going through.
Only the football questions, please. If anyone else has any questions? One question to the player.
We already faced against India so many times, they are really good team. As well Iran, they already qualified for the Asian Cup. This is a very interesting tournament for us, and to improve to our football as well. And also like it's really a great chance to the young generation to motivate themselves from this tournament. So like we are ready to fight and we are ready and yeah.
And to take this taking me this responsibility. So it's opportunity and challenge for me to lead the team. Obviously, result oriented, but I try my best to give the best result for the team and the country too.
So how do you assess Nepal's chances against the other team? If you have seen the other opponent team in the last match.
Yeah. Both are a little bit senior, that both are very tough team. But we are ready for the match because we have good quality players. So every second is important. So every second we fight for the 3 points. So we are focusing on that.
Just one more question, sir. So beyond winning, what other outcomes or experiences are important for the team?
Yeah, definitely. We're playing against the strong side. So experience of we are focusing on a long-term planning there because not only this is friendly, we are focusing on the sub-championship. So I take responsibility till sub-championship. So we are focusing for the new players to have a great experience from this game. So I think it's good for us.
So do you have any message for the government of Meghalaya?
No, it's a beautiful city. I will mention you that I came here. It's my second time. Before the beach was not good. Now I saw the beach. It's really good. The beach is really good. Only about that it's international tournament, so little bit uncomfortable in the accommodation. Only that's it. Other thing is going to be good.
As a captain, like I have to lead myself from the front line. So like as a player, like every single second, like we have pressure to win the match. So like for me, for the team, like I don't feel like we have to take the pressure. So we'll play our game like simply. Yeah.
Is there any teammate do you really rely on the most during match days? Any teammate
Any teammates from here?
from your team?
From my team?
Repeat the question.
Which teammate do you rely on?
Awesome. So like for me, like each and every player I have importance. So like.
And do you have any pre-match rituals or superstitions that you follow before the match?
I have no idea about this. Thank God.
Quindi come خوبیه ما اخباراتشون باختیم ولی اومدیم که اون ضعف رو برطرف کنیم. امیدوارم که فردا شاهد یه بازی خیلی خوب باشیم.
She said that good afternoon to everyone, and she said that this tournament totally is very good tournament, and the Nepal is very good team, and the last time we lose from this team, but now we come to recognize ourselves and to be good in this tournament. And I think that tomorrow we have watch a good match.
بازی هند و ایران بازی خیلی خوبی بود. بعد از اون بازی تمرکزمون گذاشتیم روی بازی نپال به خاطر ضعف و قوتمون توی هند دیدیم. سعی می‌کنیم اونا رو برطرف کنیم و بازی قابل قبول‌تری رو روی نپال انجام بدیم.
She says that the match between Iran and India was very good match, and after that we try to recognize our power and weakness point of ourselves, and try to resolve our weakness point and try to win the Nepal.
We scored the two.
فوتبال امیدوارم که بازی خوبی انجام بدیم.
She says football, I can't I can't know about the sport of the Nepal, and football is like this.
You are only played once against
فوتبال نه بازی کردیم ولی تو این چند سال اخیر یک.
No, we have many matches in Nepal, but in the 2 last years ago, I think only one.
Do you think it will be very easy for you? Very easy?
No?
Much.
No.
If anyone else has any
برای هر دو تیم احترام زیادی قائلم و فکر می‌کنم هر دو تیم خوبه.
She says that we respect to both teams, and we think that both of them is very good.
is
خوشحالم که توی مسابقات شرکت کردم و تبریک میگم بهشون. بسیار حمایت میکنم بانوانو و کار فوق‌العاده بودید. و من به عنوان یک بانو ازشون تشکر میکنم که بانوان حمایت میکنم.
Adding to the question.
definitely.
Yeah, go.
She says that I'm very happy to attend this tournament, and such as a woman, I'm very happy, and I'm proud of them, and we say them this is very good that to cover the women football, and this is very good condition.
Adding.
خیلی خوشحالم که اینو میشنوم ولی فکر میکنم که این بازی‌ها و این تورنمنت‌ها خیلی کمک میکنه به بالا بردن سطح فوتبال بانو.
She says that I'm very happy to hearing this, and I think that like this tournament and like this match help very a lot to be better to the women football be better.
من توی باشگاهی هم توی باشگاهی بازی میکنم که اون باشگاه اولویتی نسبت به آقایون به همکارتون.
She says that in Iran, in the league that she is head coach of that team, in this city, the football of women is more important than